OPÄS Health is a cutting-edge, multi-specialty healthcare facility delivering primary, family care, urgent care, wellness, dental, vision services, plus much more. Joining me today is Marketing Director Brian McNay. Good morning, Brian. How have you been?
Good morning. I've been well. Thank you.
Well, we're glad you're back. And I got to say, even just reading through the list of everything that OPÄS offers, I mean, how in the world are you able to do that in one place?
Planning. It's a huge facility. Our CEO has a massive vision. He wants to disrupt the healthcare market, and that's what we're doing. So we're excited to do it.
And I think that what's really interesting in today's segment, we're actually talking about dental, because dental is the one that kind of, it surprises you when you hear it. You know, you understand all the wellness, but dental's a whole other ballpark that you're able to tackle, and even pediatric dental.
Right. Yeah, so we specialize in pediatric dentistry, and what that means is basically that we can sedate patients. So whether it's children, whether it's adults, we have sedation techniques that we can use, and that's called behavior management. So a lot of your viewers know that their children, they hate going to the dentist, right? So they don't want anyone in their mouth messing around, and so that causes a lot of problems for dentists. So, but our dentists are specially trained to handle that sort of thing. So children and even special needs patients, like children with autism or even adults with autism, also Down syndrome, they don't like to have dentists mess around with their mouth. So we have three levels of sedation. So it's first level is mild conscious sedation, which means we use nitrous oxide or laughing gas. Then there's oral conscious sedation, meaning we use it's a juice that they take, and that basically calms them down. And then there's intravenous or IV sedation. So what that is that that's used for basically if we're doing wisdom teeth on children. So above that is we have an in-house anesthesiologist. So that's huge. Not a lot of dental practices have in-house anesthesiologists. And they're hooked up, all the patients are hooked up to telemetry machines, basically monitoring their vitals. So it's super safe. We have an anesthesiologist and all the advanced technology to go along with it.
Well, you know, it's interesting. We've talked about the advanced technology for the other areas. So I'm assuming that the dental has the technology that's right up there on par and setting the new trends, if you will.
Right. So the first machine I want to talk about is our CEREC machine. It's basically a 3D printer for teeth.
Oh, wow.
So we can do, what that means is we can create inlays, onlays, crowns, and veneers in a single appointment. So before this 3D printing technology came about, you would have to wait 2 weeks to have your tooth sent out to a lab, and in those 2 weeks you're stuck with a fake tooth in your mouth. Sometimes it can fall out. It's very annoying. It doesn't fit properly. And above that, you got to go back to the dentist after 2 weeks and have your actual tooth put on. So in our facility, we cancel all of those problems. You're in and out in about 3 hours, and it saves you a ton of time. The next one is our low-dose X-ray gun. So what it is basically it's a digital camera for your mouth, and the resolution on this thing is outstanding. It's far better than any of the previous technology. It's perfect for children who are sedated because they're basically lying back, and it's handheld. So you just stick it up to their mouth, and you can take the X-ray in any position.
I was going to say, and you know, we're out of time, but I know you talked about the relaxation techniques as well, the massage chairs, of course, to go with all of that technology. So thank you so much for coming on and breaking it down for us. Again, all of this happens at OPÄS Healthcare. You want to go ahead and shout out the website there and the phone number as well. There it is on your screen.
Yeah, so we actually have a free offer for Morning Blend viewers. If you guys sign up for dental care and primary care, you're going to get a free urgent care visit, and that's worth $200 on up. So go to the website, check us out, sign up for those services, and you'll get that free urgent care visit.
Awesome. Thank you so much for your time again. We appreciate it. We will see you soon.